Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. Today, in our 17th video in the US 11 series, we enter the state of Alabama, the third state on Highway 11. We're in Sumter County, named for American Revolution General Thomas Sumter of South Carolina. The county was established in 1832 after the 1830 Treaty of Dancing Rabbit Creek, in which the Choctaws ceded the land to the government. Sumter County had an estimated population of 12,164 as of 2021. Sumter County is home to the University of West Alabama Outdoor Sculpture Exhibition and the Coleman Center of the Arts. The historic Allamuchy-Bellamy Covered Bridge is also located on the University of West Alabama campus. The first town we come to is called Cuba, with a post office established in 1850 and the town incorporated in 1890. The town has a number of homes and buildings on the National Register of Historic Places. US 11 is called 6th Avenue through the town of Cuba. Here, US 80 turns off to the east as US 11 continues to parallel I-20 and I-59 as they take on a heading more to the northeast. Here we enter the city of York, and US 11 becomes 4th Avenue. York was the result of a merger of two communities, Old Anvil and New York Station. In 1861, the New was dropped from York Station, and by 1881, the station was dropped as well, leaving just York. York is home to the Coleman Center for Arts and Culture. The center is known for its Artist in Residency program, where prominent artists are invited to reside in the town and produce work specific to the town. In 2013, artist Matthew Mazzotta created Open House on a neglected property in the center of York. Open House appears as a small pink house that transforms into a 100-person open-air theater for public venues. Sumter County School District operates public schools serving York, York West End Junior High School, and Sumter Central High School. It was previously served by Sumter County High School in York until it merged into Sumter Central High in 2011. We pulled into this gas station for a quick coffee break and to put a new memory card in the camera. We conclude today's video as we leave the city limits of York at Alabama Mile 11. Thanks for watching. We've enabled channel memberships, so for just $1 a month you can help support our channel. Click the link in the description to join. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, post a comment, subscribe, share and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.